Embrace nature with rustic designs, creating beautiful outdoor spaces. Introduction to rustic outdoor design. Creating beautiful outdoor spaces that embrace nature is an essential aspect of rustic design. The rustic style not only celebrates the beauty of natural materials but also fosters a harmonious connection between your home and the surrounding landscape. In this video, we will explore various elements and techniques that can transform your outdoor areas into inviting retreats, reflecting the warmth and charm of rustic aesthetics. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small balcony, there are countless ways to incorporate rustic designs that enhance your outdoor experience. If you enjoy these ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. The essence of rustic design. Rustic design is deeply rooted in the principles of nature, showcasing organic shapes, earthy tones, and natural materials. By incorporating elements like wood, stone, and metal, you can create outdoor spaces that feel grounded and authentic. The use of reclaimed wood for furniture and structures adds a layer of history and character, allowing your space to tell a story. Additionally, natural stone pathways and fire pits blend seamlessly with the landscape, enhancing the overall aesthetic. This section will delve deeper into the materials that define rustic. Creating inviting outdoor living areas. Outdoor living areas are an extension of your home, providing opportunities for relaxation and socializing. To create a rustic outdoor living space, consider incorporating comfortable furniture made from natural materials, such as wooden benches or wicker chairs. Accentuate these areas with soft, inviting textiles that complement the rustic theme, such as burlap cushions or wool throws. The layout should promote conversation and comfort, perhaps centered around a fire pit or dining table. This section will explore various arrangements. Incorporating lush greenery. A key component of rustic outdoor spaces is the integration of lush greenery and vibrant plant life. Selecting native plants that thrive in your climate not only supports local ecosystems but also enhances the natural beauty of your garden. Incorporate a mix of perennials, annuals, and ornamental grasses to create layers and texture. Additionally, consider vertical gardening or container gardening for smaller spaces, allowing you to maximize your greenery while maintaining a rustic feel. This section will provide tips on selecting and arranging plants to create a lush and inviting atmosphere. Crafting cozy gathering spaces. Cozy gathering spaces are essential for enjoying the great outdoors, and Rustic Design offers countless possibilities. Incorporating elements like outdoor rugs, string lights, and fire pits can create a warm, inviting ambience perfect for evenings spent with friends and family. Consider building a rustic pergola or canopy to provide shade and structure to your gathering area. These features not only enhance functionality but also contribute to the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. This section will explore various design ideas for crafting. Adding rustic decor elements. Decor elements play a significant role in defining the rustic aesthetic of your outdoor spaces. Incorporate unique items like vintage lanterns, wooden crates, or metal accents to add character and charm. Use garden art, such as sculptures or handmade wind chimes, to personalize your space and reflect your style. Natural materials, like driftwood or stone, can also be used creatively as decor to maintain that organic feel. This section will discuss how to select and arrange decor items that enhance your rustic outdoor design while ensuring a cohesive look. Emphasizing natural features. When designing your outdoor space, it's essential to emphasize existing natural features, such as trees, rocks, or water bodies. These elements can serve as focal points in your landscape and contribute to the rustic charm. Create seating areas around large trees or integrate stone walls and pathways that complement the terrain. If you have a pond or stream, consider adding a rustic bridge or seating area nearby for a tranquil retreat. This section will highlight ways to celebrate and enhance the natural beauty of your surroundings. Creating functional outdoor kitchens. An outdoor kitchen can elevate your outdoor experience, allowing you to entertain and enjoy nature simultaneously. Designing a rustic outdoor kitchen involves using natural materials, such as stone countertops and wooden cabinetry, to create a cohesive look with your outdoor space. Incorporate features like a wood-fired oven, grill, or even a rustic dining table for al fresco meals. This section will provide ideas and considerations for creating functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor kitchens that embrace the rustic theme. Seasonal decor for outdoor spaces. To keep your outdoor spaces feeling fresh and inviting throughout the year, consider incorporating seasonal decor that reflects the changing seasons. In spring, add colorful flowers and fresh greenery, while summer can bring vibrant cushions and outdoor textiles. Fall can be celebrated with pumpkins and warm colors, and winter can introduce evergreen arrangements and cozy blankets. This section will discuss how to rotate decor to enhance the rustic feel of your outdoor spaces while embracing the beauty of each season. Conclusion: embracing nature with rustic designs. In conclusion, creating beautiful outdoor spaces that embrace nature through rustic designs is a rewarding endeavor. By incorporating natural materials, lush greenery, cozy gathering areas, and thoughtful decor, you can transform your outdoor areas into inviting retreats that reflect your style and appreciation for nature. Remember to celebrate the existing features of your landscape and personalize your space with unique touches. If you found these ideas helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video,